So on today's video, we're gonna go over how to waterproof my 2021 Leesure Lite pop-up camper. I'm heading to my third season. I haven't done it, so I believe it's the right time to do it. And I wanna show you guys how to do it. So without further ado, let's give her. Okay guys, before I start, I just wanna say that this process and the product I'm gonna be using is something that I was researching by myself. It's not really what the dealer or distributors are recommending, which I respect their opinion, but I decided to go in a different route. So I'll be showing you guys what I'm gonna be using. I'll put information and pricing in the description down below. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so before we start, let me go over what I'm gonna be using and we go from there. First, this is the product I'm going to be using. It's called Waterproofing from Starbright. Again, I'll put the description down below, but this is what I'm going to be using. You can use one of these sprayers, but considering the amount of area we're going to be spraying, it can get a little bit painful on your fingers, and the spray quality is not that great. I recommend buying one of those larger sprayers. You just need to pump it, and then you just press the trigger, and it's faster, it's better, you can control it a little bit better from the top here. So I recommend investing. It's about 20 bucks. It's gonna make the process much faster and easier. And as far as safety, I'm gonna use one of those old COVID N95 masks. No, we don't know what kind of chemicals you're gonna be breathing, so a mask is kind of handy to have. And gloves, because those products tend to be usually sticky, so it doesn't hurt to wear night trial gloves or any kind of gloves that you may have in your garage. So let's get going. I believe I went through this before, but something that I use all the time, very inexpensive, I think it's like $2, is to attach a level on the side of the unit and one right in the front, so I can see if the unit's level this way and front to back. So right now the camper is leveled, so we're gonna assemble it as fast as we can, which takes about 2 minutes, so you guys can see how that goes. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the rain fly, which is something I've never done before. I wanna see how the canvas actually is at the top of the unit, and I wanna seal all the edges. Again, I think it's gonna make it easier and we'll avoid any water leaks in the future. So we're gonna start from the top and work our way down to the bottom. So let's get cracking. So the wheel is blocked on both sides to make sure the unit doesn't move back and forth. Then next step, we're just gonna put the jacks down. One here, one there. Then we can open the lid. Just have to wiggle a little bit, both sides. And then just open it. The unit's in a little bit slope here, so I'm gonna just make sure everything's level. I'm gonna check my little level guy here. I can lift the front a little bit. It's pretty good. Now we're level. And make sure the canvas is properly placed outside the tub. Now we're gonna go inside, open the door, the net. Now I'm just locking the inside poles, and that's it. Now I'm just gonna go outside again. I'm gonna open the window just to get some airflow inside. This video is not really to show, to set up step by step. I already have a video showing that, so I'm going a little bit quicker than usual, but you guys still can see what it takes to do it. And that's it. The unit is basically assembled. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get my step ladder. I'm gonna remove the rain fly. I've never done that before. And I'm gonna speed up a little bit because it's pretty hot today. I'm just gonna show you guys the main steps, and then I'll finalize with some lessons and some suggestions that you guys may consider. So let's just remove the elastic piece from this metal frame, just like so. This is basically what holds the fly on both sides. Same deal here. Just get the elastic removed. I guess we can just kind of pull it. And the top piece is held by Velcro, as you can see, all the way around. It's really well made. So here's the rain fly. I'm gonna make sure there are no holes. Make sure everything looks good here. Yeah, I don't see anything, but I will also spray the waterproofing right here because there's a stitching here and this can be a source of leak. So I'm gonna be spraying that part as well. A little disaster just happened. I decided to use this sprayer about 4 weeks ago to spray our patio furniture, just the cushions. And my mistake, I forgot to clean it. So when I tried to start, everything was plugged. My mistake. I just had to go back to the store, buy another one. So it's another $14. So make sure you clean it after you use. Learn from my mistake. So after this fail, let's go again. I just gonna spray this middle seam here. I don't need to spray all the way around because the edge of this rain fly is over the edge of the camper, so it's not gonna leak. So I'm gonna just spray this seam here in the middle, and then the seams from the top all the way down. I'm not gonna spray the whole camper. I trust the canvas. It can go a long way without any waterproofing. So I'm concerned mainly about the stitching. So let's get going. Okay, we're gonna turn it down a little bit. And let's start him from the top. It's very effective, very fast. I'm gonna just make the jet a little bit narrower. Just like so. Let's go to the other side. Just like painting. Just make sure you have a nice coverage as you go along. Just like that, the top is done. Now I'm gonna go across this area here. Again, just going over the main stitching areas. in areas where the water can penetrate. The window is another critical area. Top of the awning, same deal. I had 20 ounces in here, so still got 12. So far so good. Let's go to the other side. Again, it's just like painting. Make sure you have a nice coat where the stitching is. Just go by the zipper area now. Did I catch everything here? All the stitching on this side. It's pretty much done. Yep, it's done. I'm just gonna go to the bottom of the window because, let's go around here. What the heck? Nope, I think I'm running out of juice. But I'm basically done. Okay, let's see if I managed to spray. Oh, I forgot to spray the zipper on this side. So let's get that done. The last area is the zipper from this side. Okay, I'm basically done, so I'm just gonna keep spraying here until I run out of juice, and I managed to do it with 20 ounces. So I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna let the camper dry, make sure everything's dry nicely before I put it away. But 20 ounces, that's all I had to use to go through it. Again, I'm done. I'm just spraying whatever I got left just to get this sprayer actually empty. I'm quite happy with what I got. I managed to do it with 20 ounces. Gonna make sure I wash this time because I want to be able to use it again. Some people may say, why you didn't spray the whole canvas? Yes, you can, but I don't think I need it at this point. Maybe when the camper gets a little bit older, I will, but at this point, just the stitching is enough. And that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If you have a pop-up camper or a tent that has a canvas material, this product works really well. Same principle apply. And if you liked it, don't forget to give me the thumbs up. If you want to see more of these kind of videos in the future, just subscribe right here. And until next time, be good, be safe, and let's keep the rubber side down. Ciao.